Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send money from Revolut to France. So what you'll need to do is basically open up your Revolut app and then go to the Payments tab. Right here, select the plus icon at the top right corner, and here from all of these like Revolut, bank, card, group, link, and you'll see international. Click on the international, and here where it says select destination, you will need to select France. So let's select the France, and after you select France, you will need to put the amount that you want to send, some info, and then confirm it. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.